gel plate so crusty and flaky and covered with acrylic paint that you feel like tossing it out? Well, don't, because today I'm sharing my absolute favorite way to clean my gel plate with something that you probably already have at home. It's easy to do and it really works. Hi, I'm Cynthia. Welcome to my channel where I share creative content. In today's video, I want to tell you about how to use Murphy's oil soap to clean your gel plate. In the past, I've used everything from packing tape to mineral oil to baby wipes, scraping at it with my fingernails. Nothing really worked, gave me the result that I was looking for, a nice clean gel plate. But Murphy's oil soap, when I discovered it, it really was a game changer. It's the least messy way to do it. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't leave a residue. So let me show you. So here you have your dirty gel plate ready for a bath. All you need is a shallow tray that fits it, some Murphy's oil soap, water, and some patience. Just add a generous amount of the Murphy's oil soap to the water and then swish it around. And then put your gel plate in. I like to flip mine over. Make sure that both sides get covered. You can see 2 hours later it's already coming off in big chunks, but I like to leave mine overnight because that's the easiest way. So the next day I take my gel plate out. I don't show it here, but I rinse it off in a laundry tub and I pour the water through a filter to get all that acrylic paint, prevent it from going down the drain. And there you have it, your nice clean gel plate. And that's it, Murphy's oil soap to the rescue. Let me know in the comments what you've tried, whether you've tried this method or others. And please be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video, because I'll be sharing more creative content soon. Until then, just start creating with your nice clean gel plate.